In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on NordVPN in an easy, step-by-step manner. Changing your email on NordVPN is a simple process, but it does require you to submit a request through their support website. Let me guide you through this process to ensure it's as smooth as possible. First, the journey begins by heading over to the NordVPN support page. When you get there, you'll want to look for the email change request form. This form is where you'll need to provide some essential information to initiate the change. Once you've located the form, it's time to fill it out with all the details they require. Start by entering your current email address. This is important because it confirms which account you want to update. After that, you need to provide the new email address you'd like to use. It should be an address you regularly check because NordVPN will use it for any future communications. Additionally, you'll provide a contact email which can be the same as the new email, but it's essential to specify if it's different for any reason. Don't forget to include the amount you paid for your subscription, the method of payment you used, and the payment date. This information acts as a verification step to confirm your identity and ownership of the account. You'll also need to provide the desired email or username you wish to use moving forward. Furthermore, clarify if you have any related services like a NordLocker or NordPass account, because this can affect the handling of your email change request. In the description section, detail your request clearly. Let them know why you are changing your email and any other relevant information that can help them understand your situation better. Although not mandatory, you can include any supplementary documents or screenshots as attachments, which might assist in verifying your request. Now that you've filled out the necessary fields, double check for any errors or missing information. Once you are satisfied that everything is correct, go ahead and submit the form. After submission, NordVPN will then review your request. They might reach out if they require any further verification or clarification, so keep an eye on your email for any communications from them. Once your request and identity are verified, NordVPN will update your email address in their records. And there you have it, a new email address linked to your NordVPN account. Remember, keeping your email updated is crucial for receiving important account notifications and ensuring the security of your account. I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.